In the ocean deep, there's a mussel so shy, with a shell so strong it hides inside. It clings to the rocks in the salty sea, living in the waves, wild and free. Cling, cling, the mussel stays in the ocean's grip, where the water plays. Cling, cling, come and see the quiet mussel, wild and free. With its shell shut tight, it filters the sea, taking in the food so quietly. The mussel stays where the waters meet, in its ocean home so calm and neat. Cling, cling, the mussel stays in the ocean's grip, where the water plays. Cling, cling, come and see the quiet mussel, wild and free.
Did you like our fun doodles? Subscribe and hit the bell for more exciting videos. Join our doodle adventure by subscribing to our channel.